Here is something unique dosa, that is banana dosa. For early morning banana dosa, a very good carbs. Hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. Today I have come down to Jayanagar to a pure veg restaurant for a breakfast and it's Ashok Vatika. This is gonna be my first vlog on the veg restaurant and that too for breakfast. I think it's a second vlog, not a first vlog, because first vlog was in Jayanagar itself again. It was Vidyarthi Bhavan. So this is second vlog. So that is for breakfast. So let's go inside and check out. Wherever you go, sanitizers are very important. They have kept it out itself. So without sanitizer and mask, in some restaurants, no one is allowed inside. After getting into restaurant, having food, that time you can open your mask. But still some restaurants, they have a very good terms and conditions that when you're placing order also, you shouldn't open your mask. In an early morning breakfast, they do have cakes and desserts and some bakery stuffs also. So I just don't want to cover up all the things today. So there is one more vlog on this restaurant itself. Today we are going to be having only about breakfast vlog. Before entering the kitchen, there are some terms and conditions of Ashok Vatika that we need to wear head cap and hand gloves. So now it's time to enter the kitchen. They have a very huge menu for breakfast itself. I'm very much confused at what to eat, what not to eat. One of the unique things I have placed order in the breakfast. So let me try all that. There is a lot of things to show in this restaurant. I'm just waiting for my one more vlog to upcome in this restaurant itself. And this is a place that where they have given for me to vlog because outside there is a lot of crowd and noise. Why I actually plan to come down to Ashok Vatika on Sunday, it's just because that they have special sambar, that is Jain sambar, and they are very close to the one of the Bangalore biggest Jain temple, which is in Jayanagar, and their restaurant is quite near. So every Saturday and Sunday they are going to be preparing Jain sambar in Ashok Vatika. Till the food comes, let me play Homescape. After a long time giving a force for thumbnail, keeping a lot of food, and that too it's 10 o'clock. I'm very much hungry. So I have to start up with the food. I'll start up with idli vada. I'm waiting for one particular sambar, that is Jain sambar. It's gonna be on the way any moment. I'm gonna be starting with idli with the sambar. I can see a small onion, single onion. They have used jaggery in the sambar. And the taste wise, sambar is a bit spicy and jaggery taste is very dominating. And onion spiciness is really good. Idli is really very soft. Next coming to uddin vade. The crisp of the uddin vade is really very strong. Yes, it is so. Let me put some chutney on this Vada, first bite. The outside crispiness and the inside softness, a very good texture is forming, and this flex seeds has been added in this vada. It is giving a very good taste, and the flex seeds gives a very good digestion. Next comes up with rava idli. Usually for rava idli they use ghee. With that sago goes really good. But here sago is really very mild. It is not spicy. It is tasting really good. They have put carrot, beans, chopped coriander leaves, and bit of coconut has been added. It's tasting exactly like a proper curry. Wow, this is giving a very good taste. And even peas is being added, one or two in one bowl. The idli and sago is giving a very good taste. Here the Jain sambar is in inside the plate. Now I want to try this with rava idli also, and I want to try this with idli also. The hotel owner personally recommended to try this in their hotel. I don't know what is so special of this Jain sambar because I'm also trying it for the first time. Jaggery taste is very dominating. There is no spiciness at all in this Jain sambar, and it's completely plain. No onions, not even chopped tomatoes. It's I can see some coriander leaves, one or two. Leaving that, it is very simple. Taste wise, in next level. Now let me try this plain idli with this Jain sambar. Let this soak. I hope this gives a very good taste, more than rava idli, because the idli is plain. In that they have added coriander leaves, chilies, everything. So this is giving a very good taste. Even I want to try vada with this Jain sambar. The texture of the Jain sambar is not at all thick. Just look at this sambar. It is so thick, and even the onion is there. Sambar is really very thick, and curry leaf and this onion, small onion, everything is like good spiciness, and jaggery taste is also there. Onion is so damn soft. God. And this is there is no thickness also, and the taste wise it's simple, and anyone can eat this, even kids, because no spices are added in this. You have that feel. Just a sambar is like, we call it as tili saru in Kannada. It is something like that. Plain sambar. Here is something unique dosa. That is banana dosa. For early morning banana dosa, a very good carbs. The texture is like set dosa. I want to try this with curry. And the bananas, you can feel it when you are tearing the dosa. The banana has gone into pan, so banana is slightly like crushed up, and it is giving a very juicy flavor. The sweetness of banana is also good, and especially with curry, the slight spiciness of the curry and sweetness of banana, that is giving an entire different level of taste. I want to try this with chutney also. This is really tasting damn good. I'm trying this banana dosa for the first time. The dosa is so damn soft, and even the thickness also. It is not so thick or it is not so thin also. They have poured dosa batter in a proper manner, and they have used bit ghee for a very good roast. The roastness, sweetness, and the spiciness of sagu, it is giving a very good taste. There is a lot of things. I'm literally tempted for this banana dosa. There are 4 types of dosa, leaving this dosa. Next is corn dosa. The corn dosa is really very crisp and thickness wise compared to that banana dosa. This is quite thick. That's because the corn is thick. Let this corn dosa goes to sagu. The crispiness of dosa and sagu and the crispiness of the corn, because they have salted with oil. They have put dosa. On top of that, they have put some corn, sweet corn, and they have flipped it. So corn has got completely roasted. So that is giving a very good taste. Till now, the two things which I loved is, one is the Jain sambar, all-time favorite. One more is this banana dosa. Superb. There is no comparison because banana dosa is really very unique. There is one more dosa which is going to be coming, and that dosa to early morning might be in some hotels, it won't be available. Not anywhere as per my knowledge, but let's see. Maybe some one or two restaurants might have that dosa. If I have food in front of me, I'll keep eating till I finish it. So I just want to go for next dish. Next comes with Mysore dosa. I have habit of tearing dosa in two hands, then only I'll be mentally satisfied. I want to try this Mysore masala dosa like that itself. I don't want to try this with sambar or chutney. First bite, I can see some aloo which has been smashed on dosa, and beetroot, curry leaves, and onions. That's it. So the dosa is color has been changed into beetroot color. So slightly it is pinkish, no, reddish, no, pinkish. The masala, whatever they have smashed on the dosa, it is giving very good taste. Spiciness is not so much. Yes, still they have put some chopped chilies and all on dosa. So I hope this goes good with chutney. And there is a small piece of butter on the dosa that I don't want to try. Butter, very fat, very very fat. The onion crispiness on the dosa is like really good. The crunchy feeling, very good feel when you are eating that. And beetroot, slight sweet taste, very good taste. A lot of onions has been used, like an onion dosa, but it's not an onion dosa. It's Mysore masala dosa. Next is pineapple dosa. The pineapple is just filled on this dosa. Just look at this, guys. And the dosa is so flumpy and soft. I want to try this dosa like that itself. Let me try this with sagu. Sweetness, saltiness of the pineapple flavor. This is all in the next level. Even banana was also tasting very good. And next recommended personal dish is pineapple dosa. It is exactly looking like a set dosa, but on top they have used additional one ingredient is pineapple. Slightly the pineapple is roasted with the batter. That is giving really good taste. More than sagu, the chutney is going good with this pineapple dosa. In between dosas, I wanted to try some akki roti and ragi roti. First, let me try ragi roti. I have taken this for taste. The quantity is really very good in this hotel, but I have taken one roti. That's why I told them to prepare a small roti. Let this ragi roti got dipped into chutney. The first bite, I can see some onions and coriander leaves. That's it. Plain ragi dosa. Ragi, however, it's very healthy and it's fiber food. For early morning breakfast, this is very good, in fact. And this ragi is giving a good taste. The ragi flavor is really very dominating because it's tasting really very naturally. We have not added anything additional in this, and sweetness in this ragi that is giving a good taste. But after eating dosas and all, if you are trying to eat ragi roti, then no, people don't recommend because taste wise you feel bit less. But ragi, of course, people have to eat. It's really very good. Next comes with akki roti. Akki means rice. In rice they make a roti. So this is in fact more good. Early morning eating carbs is really very good. So first step in chutney. If you want, they'll even give you sago also. Usually akki roti goes good with chutney puri. With chutney puri, add some bit of oil, and you people have to try with this akki roti. It will really taste damn good. And even ragi roti, add some butter on top of ragi roti, put some chutney puri, sprinkle some chutney puri on ragi roti. That gives a very good taste. This is neer dosa. Neeru means water. The softness of this dosa will be next level because they'll use lot of oil in this neer dosa. Just look at this flex seeds for digestion. It will be really tasting damn good. I want to try this with Jain sambar. Once you keep the dosa in mouth, the dosa is just getting isolated like that itself. It's really tasting damn good. It is like a hanky. Just look at this neer dosa. When you open this neer dosa, you can see some ghee floating inside the dosa. And in some of the dishes, they have used cumin seeds, and some they have used flex seeds. So flex seeds is also good for fat control, and jeera, which is also called as cumin seeds, that keeps a very good for digestion. This is cheese masala dosa. The flumpiness is aloo. Okay, the cheese is completely filled inside this dosa. Wow. I have to just close the back, turn the plate, and try the first bite with aloo sabji, which is there inside the cheese dosa. The cheese flavor is dominating, and even that aloo flavor. Fatness, I love cheese to the core, but I don't want to eat cheese more. The softness and the crispiness of the dosa is really very good. The crunchiness feel is still there after 5 or 10 minutes. Just the cheese has gone hard just because the dosa is slightly cold. If you are eating this cheese dosa when it's hot, the cheese will be completely melted and it gives a very good taste with chutney. They do have some of the combos in breakfast. Just look at this, guys. This is one combo, and in this one idli, one vada, dosa, masala dosa I think, and with that sambar, chutney, and karabat. And this is one more combo meal. In this dosa, idli, vada, rice bath, and one kesi bath will be there. In that karabat is there. In this kesi bath is there. To hang out in the weekends or in weekdays, this is the best place for breakfast. And I don't know about lunch and dinner, because they say that they have more than some 500 items in the veg, because this is a very big restaurant of veg. Actually, I wanted to meet this restaurant owner. His name is Mr. Akshay, but today he is quite busy with some other work, so he couldn't come down to the restaurant. He might be late. I just thought by that time let me finish the shoot and go back to house, because I have to give time for my family also in weekends. I personally recommend to try banana dosa and pineapple dosa. In fruits, having dosa is something really very interesting and sounds in a next level. And the taste also, I thought, what is this banana dosa and pineapple dosa? But when it came to the taste was in really a very good level. The taste was so damn good, especially banana. The banana was so damn soft in the dosa. The dosa is so flumpy, and it was really going good with that sagu. Pineapple, next come with fat burning fruit. Even the pineapple dosa, it was damn good. I personally recommend for you people to go up with banana dosa and pineapple dosa. That is quite interesting over here. And next comes up with combo meal. If you are buying one combo meal, that's more than enough for a half day. So that gives enough of carbs, fat, everything. Even the sweetness. If you need sweet, they'll put kesi bath. If you need kara, then kara means spicy, then they'll give you kara bath. I'm actually planning to drop for one more vlog, that is for lunch and dinner in the same restaurant, and I'll be mentioning the price list in the description part as well as on the screen itself. Anyhow guys, it's time to end my vlog. Bye, take care, happy weekend.